How to fix login errors on PayPal. So if you'd like to fix some of the login errors that you might be facing on your PayPal account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the PayPal app, but before that make sure it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi. After you've done that, it could be the issue with the PayPal app itself as well. So you want to simply make sure to long press the PayPal app icon, especially if you're an Android user. Tap on the I button to come to its app info page. From there you can simply scroll down to storage, clear the cache files, and you can also choose to clear the data. That should also hopefully help you solve most of the problems you might be facing within the PayPal app. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are just that your PayPal credentials are incorrect. So you want to go to the login button and make sure that your email address is also correct, or if you have a phone number, make sure your phone number is correct, and enter your password. And in case you happen to forget your password, you want to make sure to reset your password and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the issue. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.